Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Microsoft Authenticator app not showing your code or the code. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a couple of different ways how we can fix this. So the first most common way is to go ahead and change the date and time settings on your device. So I'm on an Android, so go ahead and click on the settings, find date and time, or just do a search and type in date. So click on date and time, it's under general management, then click into date and time. Now, if it is not set to automatic, you've got issues there. So go ahead and make sure that's automatic date and time. So that's enabled, and also automatic time zone. So use the time zone provided by your mobile network is automatic as well. Now the next fix is to go ahead and click and hold down your Authenticator app. Click onto I to get an app info. Scroll down, click on storage, click on clear cache and clear data. If you go ahead and click data, it will say all of this application data will be deleted permanently. This include all files, settings, accounts, and database, etc. So basically, it's just going to log you out of your Authenticator app. And then once you do that, go ahead and just re-sign in. Fix number 3 is to make sure the Authenticator app is up to date. So click into I, get an app info, scroll down, go ahead and click on app details in the store. Then go ahead and click on update if there are any updates, and then restart your device and you should be sweet.